In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your Google account keeps automatically logging out in Google Chrome. If you've been facing this frustrating problem, you're not alone. And thankfully, there is a straightforward solution that can help you stay signed in without any interruptions. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options listed. From this menu, you will want to navigate to the Settings section. Clicking on Settings will open a new tab where you'll find a list of categories that will help you customize your Chrome experience. What we're looking for here is the Privacy and Security section. This is crucial, as it holds the keys to how Chrome handles site permissions and data storage. Within the Privacy and Security settings, you should look for an option called Site Settings. Clicking on this will allow you to manage how sites can interact with your device. Now, scroll down or search for On-Device Site Data. Here you can manage how and when Chrome saves data from sites you visit. Once you've opened the On-Device Site Data setting, you'll see a section called Default Behavior. It's essential to ensure that you have selected Allow Sites to Save Data on your device. This setting should help mitigate the issue of automatically being logged out, as it allows Chrome to remember your session information and any login details associated with it. By following these steps, you should be able to stay logged into your Google account without unexpected signouts, which can disrupt your workflow. Remember, when this setting is correctly configured, your Chrome browser will securely hold on to the necessary data and maintain your login status. And that's it. A simple, yet effective way to solve a potentially annoying problem with Google Chrome. As always, be mindful of your privacy settings and adjust them according to your preferences. Should this problem persist, it might be worth checking if your browser is up to date or exploring further security settings specific to your system. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital experience. Happy browsing!